Hey guys, it is JD with JD and Kyle. Kyle is not here with us today for this particular video. I couldn't wait for him to be here. I'm so sorry. I wanted to go ahead and get the jump on creating this video, but we have just hit the 100 subscriber mark. At the time of making this, we're actually at 101 subscribers, so super excited. 23.1% of people who watch these videos are subscribed, so thank you to you guys.
Hey there, stalkers. It's Kyle. So JD thought that I wasn't going to be a part of this video today, but I had some plans of my own. So first off, we reached 100 subscribers. Woo! That's pretty cool. We're very excited about this. We're very happy. And we just wanted to say thank you guys, because honestly, creating this YouTube channel, shooting stock, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of struggle, but getting your guys' comments, seeing this channel grow has been so rewarding and it keeps us motivated. And we just wanted to say thank you. It really does mean a lot to us. On another note, we're gonna continue to do these videos, we're gonna continue to shoot stock, and we really hope that we're providing you guys with some good information. We hope that you're learning new things, you're growing your business, you're making more money. We hope that this is really helpful for you guys because we do appreciate you watching us and we hope to give you something in return. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna head out now. Bye.
Typically we are relaying information about stock, but today I just wanted to kind of do something a little bit different and just kind of talk about our YouTube numbers and where we are at this point in our journey. Some best practices that we did to try to get to this point, how long it took us, and kind of just our general stats right now at this point. YouTube. Cool, so YouTube. So we started this YouTube channel on July 17th. That was the date that we posted our very first video. We are currently at October 14th, so it's been about 3 months for us to get to this point. I do think that this particular niche with stock photography and stock video is a very small, very specific niche compared to something that might be a little bit more lifestyle based or health based or something that's just a more of like a general topic. So I do think that maybe it took us a slower time to grow to get to this point compared to someone pursuing something a little bit more generalized, maybe, I'm not sure, but it took us 3 months to get to this point. We are currently growing at a rate of about 2.5 subscribers per day every single day. Within the last 28 days, we've received 1.8 thousand views, 9.2 thousand watch minutes, or let's do the math on that really quick. 200 divided by 60. So about 153 hours within the last 28 days. Oh my gosh. And our top videos right now, surprisingly, have everything to do with how much money we've generated in our first 3 months of doing stock. So our first one, I wanna say, according to YouTube, our top videos, wow, that's interesting. So our top video is our 1 month video that we created on how much we generated in 1 month of doing stock photography. The second one is how much we've generated in 2 months. And the third top video within the last 28 days is how much money we've generated from doing 3 months of stock photography. Nice. So apparently you guys are really interested in knowing how much we generate in income from stock photos and videos every month. I will say it is so encouraging to see everything on YouTube right now and the direction that YouTube is going in and seeing all that growth happening. Every time we log in to see our analytics and our dashboard, everything is just going up. Everything is getting better constantly all the time. So it's really cool to see that growth. Right now, within the last 28 days, we've had about 13.4 thousand impressions. Our click-through rate on average is about 8.7%. I would like to try to get that up higher. We are kind of messing around with different kinds of cover art right now to see what is going to bring people in, what's going to make people click on those videos. Within the last 28 days, we have 829 unique viewers, according to our YouTube stats. Our traffic stats, our traffic sources tend to usually come from browsing features on the platform. So about 39.7% of people find us just when they're generally browsing on the platform. 26.4% of people find us through doing an actual YouTube search. So we've tried really hard to actually kind of work on our SEO a little bit and really kind of target our keywords and mention our keywords during our videos. 18% of people are finding us directly through our channel page, and 5.8% of people are finding us from suggested videos. The remaining percentages are unknown of how people find us, or the percentages are so small that it's negligible on where they're coming from. So our external traffic sources right now, our number one external traffic search is Google at 30%, which is kind of a given. Google and YouTube is basically the same company. 15% comes from Facebook, which that was actually probably me directly sharing one or two specific videos that we had done with photographer friends that I thought that they would find the information useful. 10% of our external traffic comes from myway.com. Don't know what that is, don't know what that's for. If you guys have any idea what that is, please post it in the comments below. I'm really curious to what that is. And then another 10% of our external traffic comes from org.thoughtcrime.securesms. I don't know what that is. And then 5% comes from Facebook Messenger. Cool. Our traffic sources. So when people are searching for us on YouTube, the number one YouTube search that will pull up our channel or any of our videos is stock photography. Just searching the word stock photography, that's how 14.8% of our YouTube searches will come in. The other percentages are pretty small and negligible. They're all like 2% or less, but most of it tends to just kind of revolve around stock photography in general. Some other types of words that have pulled up our YouTube channel that people have typed into search include Adobe Creative Cloud free. Know which video that one's talking about. Shutterstock earnings, stock photography earnings, and Shutterstock payment proof. So definitely there's an interest in Shutterstock, as well as just kind of like earnings in general. It looks like someone has also added us to a playlist for stock photography side hustle. That's not our playlist, so I don't really know who's added us to their personal playlist they put together, but thank you, that's cool. Let's check out our engagements. In the last 28 days, we have had 9.2 thousand watch minutes. Our average view duration is about 5 minutes and 4 seconds on average. As of right now, we are not really using cards in any of our videos. I don't really know how to use cards or what to do with them. If you guys know, if there's a useful way to use those, put those in the comments below. Would love to learn more about that. So some information about our audience. 72% of everyone who watches our videos right now are actually not subscribers, and 23% are subscribers. So if you are watching this video and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button below. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of when we release these videos every week. This is kind of a weird stat, but where a lot of our viewers are. So 15% of our viewers are in the United States, which that makes sense. We're based in the United States, so I would assume most of our audiences. But who knows, there's also people all over the world that watch these, so that's really cool too. Our next biggest percentages after the United States is Spain. 1.2% of our viewers are in Spain, 0.8% are in Indonesia, 0.6% are in the UK, and that looks like that's about it. So I don't know where those other percentages are. Maybe that information is just private, or YouTube doesn't share it with us, or people are using VPNs? Is that a thing? Is that what that is? Or maybe that information is kept private. I don't know. That about wraps up this video. So sorry again today, guys, that Kyle couldn't make it for this video, but I just wanted to get this out as quickly as possible while we were just at that 100 subscriber mark. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions that I didn't address of certain stats you'd like to see that I didn't cover, please write those in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. YouTube. Cool. So YouTube. Cool. I think that's about it. Bye.